Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Wizard Study, episode 16 of a 52 episode series. In today's episode, we are going to work on the magical foundry area, and today we're going to build the forge. I'm not going to use any kind of modern day style forge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a little circle fire pit in the room, and it's going to have a hood over it, and that's all we're going to do for today, but that's enough. It's going to be a time-lapse video, and then next week I won't make an anvil on the channel, but I will give you a link to a tutorial on how to make a realistic anvil by Blender Guru. It's a really good tutorial. Check that out. It shows you how to do some texture unwrapping in there, but I'm going to follow that exact tutorial and make basically the same thing. So that's not going to be an episode. So if you see an anvil next week, that's probably what I did. I did his tutorial. There'll be a link to it below. But next week what we'll do is we'll make some bellows, and we'll make all the little tools and maybe some tables. Not all the tools, some tools. Because you can't have magic swords without making them. And then in the following weeks we'll do some more of the glass blowing type of stuff. Have a glory hole. For those who don't know, that's where they heat up the glass in. There's a little hole. Sorry.
Please do not call it.
My immature son? I'm sorry. I am going to keep this in the video.
No,
Yes, I am. Anyways. Within the next few weeks, we'll have the glass blowing area, and we'll have the forge this week, and we'll have some tables, and we'll have some like cooling tanks, and we'll do it all up so you can make magical items. And yes, there will be a glory hole. So sit back, enjoy, and talk to you at the end of the video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button. If you don't want to be notified every time I put a video like this up, just go into the 3 dots next to the subscribe button and you can turn off notifications there. Subscriptions help. I'm trying to reach a little higher number than I have. Currently I have 81. Hoping to get to 1,000 like everybody else does. Hopefully things will pick up. But again, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And again, this was episode 16 of a 52-week series that I'm doing. Everything in this series goes into this one room, and at the end I'll do a very long, well not long, but very long rendered video, probably a couple minutes long, of all the items. Also, if you would like to include any items in here, please go to the link below in my description, dracosocard.com. There's a link there that takes you to my Google Drive, and if you drop your Google file in there, I will be able to bring it into the Wizard Study, and I will give you full credit for it on it at the end of the video after I receive it. Thank you again, and have a good week. And as always, stay creative.